Hey, welcome back to Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks. You know what? I haven't even looked. I don't even know what number this is. I think it's probably Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks 17. But we'll label it. Happy New Year, one and all. Hope you had a great holiday season. I kind of took about a week off there, and we're back. It's 2022. Do you believe it? So, let's get on with things. It's 2022. It is time for everyone to start out with their non-negotiables or their resolutions or whatever you want to do. Plan your time. Plan it well. And get shit done this year. That is what I'm going to do. This is going to be the year that I get shit done. I'm only going to announce one non-negotiable thing for me this year because it is non-negotiable. Next year, 2023, when I am making this video and it's Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks, whatever it'll be, 17 plus 52, that'd be 59, 69, 70. Minnesota Travel Guy will no longer be 200 and anything pounds. He'll be 100 and something pounds. That is non-negotiable. It's on film, and we'll film it next year. How's that? For the first film of next year. Okay? That is non-negotiable. Minnesota Travel Guy will be a mere shadow of his former self. All right? So you just watch this face and watch it get skinny this year, all right? It's already skinnier than it was a month ago. I've already dropped a few pounds. So, anyway, on to another huge announcement. I was meditating probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, and the universe threw an idea out towards me, and I just grabbed onto it, and I think it's gonna catch fire. A lot of you know that I've been training, going to college, if you will, with a large number of folks that I've gotten to know really, really well. And a lot of them watch my videos, so I know you're out there, guys. Thank you for watching. And they all have their own niches. They're all online marketing. They're all doing their thing, and we all know each other. We're all rooting for each other, and we all get together at these, at self-empowerment workshops here and there every 6 or 8 months, and we all check in with each other and things, and we're all basically on each other's side. There's no competition because we're all in different niches and things like that. And we all have specialties. So my big announcement is I am starting a new Facebook group. And you do not want to miss being a member of this Facebook group. It is called the Executive Club's Elite. And you want to join this, and I will put a link down below, and it'll be down in the next few videos. Right now, if you go today, I haven't changed the name of it. It is called The Traveling Foodies. You should join. I wouldn't wait another instant after you watch this video, and you should join. Because I literally know hundreds of people in the online industry now, in hundreds of different niches, making money in hundreds of different ways. And they are all lining up so that I can interview them every other week in this forum, the Executives Club Elite. And they're going to give you information about their niche, their particular niche, how you can join their Facebook group, how you can learn how to make money the way they're doing it, how you can de-scam the scammers. Nobody's going to talk in my face group that is a scam. This is the information that you're going to get in this Facebook group is literally worth thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per month. And it's going to be never ending. I have virtually hundreds of friends that are in these online niches that will all talk to me on this. They're scheduling up as we speak. I'm getting them scheduled to speak every other week for the next year. This information will be invaluable to anyone who wants to learn anything about marketing or crypto or you name it. These guys are doing it. Crypto, marketing. There's a guy who does lawns, who knows nothing. He knows how to grow grass as green as you possibly could do. He does golf courses. There's guys for every freaking niche you could possibly think of. You want to join this group. Right now it's called The Traveling Foodies. And you can go to facebook.com/groups/The Traveling Foodies and join right now. Next week it will be called facebook.com/groups/The Executives, that's with an apostrophe, club, then that little tilde, which is right above your one, elite. You'll want to join this club. It's absolutely free for now. I don't know that I will be able to offer this much information for free forever. You'll want to get in now. This group is going to explode rapidly. And at some point in time, I will probably have to charge. So, join this group. Thousands and thousands of dollars worth of information is going to be put up every other week. Well, every week. I'm gonna offer a live training every other week, and then I'm gonna have a guest speaker every other week. You're gonna want to get on this. No bullshit. You're gonna want to get on this. This is not it's free of charge as of this moment. And it'll always be free of charge if you get in now. So join the group. Go back and rewind this, figure out how to get in. All right? That's all I'm going to say on that. You want to get in on this. I have people lining up to speak to you. You'll want to get in on this. All right. Moving on. Speaking of crypto coins, it's been a kind of a crypto theme for me for a little while. So I'm going to continue on my little crypto analysis because I've got somebody that wants to talk crypto with you, and I think he's going to be one of my first speakers. It's going to be a man and woman couple. I believe I think they're going to be one of my very first speakers. I'm saving their name for right now. So we're going to talk a little bit about Dogecoin. So we're going to talk about Dogecoin. I'm back on track again here. So it was created, believe it or not, as a joke to make fun of the wild speculation that was going on with cryptocurrencies. It was created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It has an unlimited supply. They mine 5 billion a year. So the reward for the miners for figuring out the calculations every so often, I believe it's every 12 to 15 minutes, is 10K in coins. And even though it's a joke and not taken seriously, the miners actually very much like to mine the Dogecoin. It is a dog coin. It does have a SHIBU Inu on the meme of it. It's peer-to-peer open source currency. It has a SHIBU Inu. Its notable takeaways are unlimited supply, and low price. January 2014, the Dogecoin community donated 27 million coins. At that time, it was $30,000 to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Olympics. In March of 2014, the community had donated 11,000 in Dogecoin, $11,000 in Dogecoin to build a well in Kenya. Just recently, there was a kind of a big announcement that Vitalik Buterin, who is big in crypto, is trying to make a Doge I can't ever say that word, Ethereum bridge, and so he's kind of involved in there. So that kind of boosts the price of Dogecoin. You can buy it anywhere. You can buy it on Coinbase, which I've told you. Get a Coinbase wallet. Everybody should have a Coinbase wallet. You just should. What can you use it for? You can sell it for dollars. You can purchase a ride on Elon Musk's spaceship. You can charge your car, your electric car with it, the Tesla. You can charge your car with them. You can buy tickets to the Dallas Mavericks with Dogecoin. A lot of people use Dogecoin to tip social media artists. They use the Dogecoin to tip social media artists. That is it. That's all I'm going to go with the Dogecoin. I do have some Dogecoins, and I've actually done a little bit. I've actually made a little bit of money on Dogecoin. Nothing significant. Just several $1 million. No, a couple of bucks. I don't have very many. I don't have much invested in crypto at all, honestly. I'm just toying with it. I've got 10, 20 bucks. A couple of different things. Wow, I always yawn in my videos here recently. My new thing. I yawn during my videos. So I'm gonna finish up with my commercial that I always finish up with. It is 2022. In 2021, in February, in fact, I started my journey into becoming a online marketer. I haven't looked back. I have learned so much about the online world and the online marketing world, and I've made a decent chunk of money. And there's so much more money to be made by any of you. And you can stay home, or you can be at a beach, or you can be at a coffee shop, or you can be wherever the hell you want to be. You can be taking care of your kids. You can be taking care of your dogs. The fact of the matter is you can choose to do whatever the hell you want to do. It gives you location and time freedom. So I really, really recommend, the only link I'm going to put in the bottom of this today is my link to become an affiliate marketer. It is a new year. Start new. By 2023, I'll weigh 190 pounds, and you'll be an affiliate marketer living on a beach somewhere. Do it. Take action. Success loves speed. Do it. Have a happy new year. We'll talk to you next week. Be grateful in everything that you do.